Hey, what's up, guys? I just wanted to report. What's the name of your place, sweetheart? What's the name of this?
Coffee Grinder.
The Coffee Grinder in Point Pleasant, West Virginia. It's awesome. You guys got to come check it out. This is the inside. Look over me, guys. I have a YouTube channel, so I record everywhere I go. But yeah, it's great. They have sandwiches, wraps, specials, salads. But my favorite is we actually now have a coffee house in town, so I'm excited. I'm going to get me a large something with double espresso, vanilla, and caramel. Sounds good. All right, you guys, have a great day, and as always, I will see you tomorrow. Later.